Nina, I've been thinking, everyone online seems to have their thing, Like they've got these strong personal brands. I post sometimes, but it's like shouting into a void.
Yeah, the digital world is noisy, but if you don't define your voice, someone else or nothing will do it for you. Your personal brand is how people perceive you before you walk into the room.
So, not just about logos and hashtags?
Not at all. It's about your story, your skills, values, passions, and how you present them online.
I used to think having a strong resume was enough.
10 years ago, maybe. But now people Google you. Employers, clients, collaborators, they check your LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, maybe even your blog.
Yikes, I haven't updated my LinkedIn since college.
Time to fix that. Your online presence should match who you are and where you're going. That's your brand.
Okay, but where do I start?
Start with these 3 questions. What are you good at? What do you care about? And how do you want to be remembered?
So, I'm good at design, I care about sustainability, and I want to be known as someone who builds clean, ethical tech.
Boom. That's your foundation. Now, craft a short personal statement. Something like, I help brands create beautiful, sustainable digital products.
What platforms should I use?
Where your audience is. For professionals, LinkedIn. For visuals, Instagram or Behance. If you like talking, try YouTube or podcasts.
And what do I post?
Create content that educates, inspires, or connects. Share your process, give tips, tell your story, comment meaningfully on others' work.
So it's not about going viral, it's about being valuable.
Exactly.
Okay, but how do I actually grow?
Engage consistently. Algorithms love conversation. Respond to comments, ask questions, tag people, use relevant hashtags, and don't forget to connect intentionally. Your network is part of your brand.
How do I know if it's working?
Track the basics: views, comments, follower growth, click-throughs to your portfolio or site, but most importantly, opportunities. Are people reaching out? Are doors opening?
Got it. And if it's not working?
Tweak it. Test new content formats, refresh your bio, update your visuals. Just like any brand, you evolve.
This is honestly inspiring. It feels less about performing and more about sharing who I really am, on purpose.
That's it. Personal branding isn't fake. It's being intentional about your voice, your presence, and the opportunities you attract.
I'm building my digital self now, one post at a time.
And that's how you stand out, in a way that's real and lasting.